Okay, back here how to show you how to turn this in and what to turn in. Had a little difficulties getting that to work earlier. I think it was my recording program. But this is the same screen that we left off with, so my properties are still showing. If you didn't see how to do that, you go over to body and you right click. I think I have to cancel out of this first. So you go over to body, right click, and you go down to properties. Brings that up there. And then what we want to do is go down here, find our snipping tool, and I'm going to go to rectangle, and then I'm going to drag it, and we want to get everything in there, all the way down there like that. And then what you can see is I have everything, so I can see the reason I want you to do it this way. I can see that you created the right folders up here, the tutorial, the Woods one, all that stuff, projects. Then I can see I can use these measurements over here to see that you did the drawing the right way, and the date and all that good stuff as well. So do it just like that, and then go up here, File, Save As, and I just put things in the downloads. You can put yours wherever you want, and then call it, same thing, Learning Fusion 360 Part 1, and then put your last name. Save that. You can close that out then, and then attach that image that you just did the screenshot of to your Google Classroom assignment, and then that's how I can give you credit. Okay, thanks.